Welcome to this technical guide on the HP EliteBook 840G6. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP EliteBook 840G6 won't turn on, you're not alone. This can happen due to several reasons, including a faulty power adapter, a dead battery, or internal hardware issues. If not addressed promptly, it could lead to further damage, making the repair process more complicated and costly. To get started on the repair, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement battery or power adapter, depending on the issue. First, ensure that your device is turned off and unplugged. Begin by gently prying open the back cover using the plastic opening tool. Take your time to avoid damaging the casing or any internal components. Once the back cover is removed, you will see the battery and the internal components. Check the battery connection first, it might simply be loose. If it appears damaged, you will need to replace it. To extract the battery, carefully unscrew the screws holding it in place using the Phillips screwdriver. Remember to keep them safe as you will need them later. Gently disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard, ensuring you do not pull on any nearby wires. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. If the battery is fine and the laptop still won't power on, check the power adapter for any visible damage or frayed wires. If it's faulty, replacing it should resolve the issue. After replacing either component, carefully reassemble your device. Start by reconnecting the battery, securing it with screws, and replacing the back cover. Ensure all parts are aligned correctly before pressing down to snap it back into place. Finally, plug in your device and try to turn it on. If it powers up successfully, congratulations! You've completed the repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, keep your device's software updated and regularly check the power adapter and battery health. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.